Yes, sir. Lavelle Motorworks back with another one. Today, y'all, man, we got a 2020 yz450 here, man. Basically, we're doing a frame swap on this. And somebody asked me a good question. They said, man, when you got these little connections for your wires, the little holders that hold the wires, how do you replace them? Well, rivets. I'm going to show you how you do it. First thing I do is, now, if you look, this is a new frame, that's the old one. This frame gonna turn around, and I'm gonna show you all the other side. We're gonna replace these rivets and put this side over here. This frame already come with this side, which y'all see over here on this side. But we're gonna put this one over here. As y'all can see, it's gonna go right here. Just like that. Okay. So first thing I'm gonna do, I got my cutter blade. And with these, just slice them off. See how I cut it till you can't hardly see it no more? That's how you gonna cut it off. Then you go to the next one, do the same thing. Just do it lightly. Just like that. Just like that. Now what I'm gonna do, get me a small flathead. Get me a small hammer. And I'm gonna just tap it off. Come right up under it. See that side off? If it's too hard, cut it some more. You don't want to bend it too much. Even though when you put the new rivets in, it's gonna flatten it back out. Good to go now. We're gonna just pop right off. Y'all see that? Pop right off. So now, get my new rivets. Found my size. I had already found my size. All right. Spin around so they can see on this side. So what I do is I take the long part of the rivet, put it in my hand, stick it in the hole, make sure it's nice and snug. Nope, it's not. So I'm gonna use this side. Boom. Boom. That's him. So now what I'm gonna do, grab two on. Put them inside my punch. Alright. What you wanna do? Okay. Just like that. See how I did that, y'all? Booyaka. Yes, sir. Lavelle Motorworks. Get your money right, get your bike right. Y'all have a nice day. Small lesson of the day. I'll have more for y'all tomorrow.